welcome back to another video. This video is very special. I am opening up another mythical whistle. I have not opened one in a while. There is a video, and it's like 2-3 months ago. I don't know, maybe 5 or 4 now. Well, hopefully I actually get a fantasy horse, so I'm gonna buy it. Oh my god, please. Okay, it's not bad, but wow, okay. Okay, I have no idea what I'm gonna name it though too. So I decided to name this horse Jupiter. I mean, I like it because there's like a lot of nicknames, and one of my horses that I'm gonna name on SSO too is like one of it, and it reminds me of that Frisian. I'm just gonna write this Let's. Yeah, that's fine. Oh yeah, this horse is like so pretty. I was riding horses on Club Islands, and I rode one of those horses, and it's like so beautiful. Cause I was like, if I get one of the Frisians, like this is the one that I wanted, and I can't believe I actually got this one. I don't know. I would have wanted like the Clydesdales. Those ones are so pretty. But this is fine. It just, I'm so mad at myself because I was so excited to open it and I couldn't wait. But now this horse is like in the wrong position. I wanted it to be there. I can't believe it just did that. Wow. It's fine though. But yeah, I like this horse. I like Jupiter, June. Whatever, it's super cute. Well, hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye.